guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a voiceover and not a talk through, so I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and let's just do my makeup quickly because I'm getting late. Alrighty guys, so I've already done my skincare routine. I'm using the Smashbox primer water to further hydrate my face. This is just something I like doing before applying foundation. To achieve that glowy base, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild illuminating primer. I'm taking that at the back of my hand. I like applying this only at the highest points of my face. You can apply it all over your face because it doesn't have shimmer particles, so it's fine. This is the amount of glow it gave me. For foundation, I'm using the Tom Ford foundation. This is in the shade Sable 07. So this foundation is in its testing phase. I'm testing it out so that I come up with an informative review. Using the PAC 231 brush to blend in the foundation. As you can see, I am patting the foundation into my skin and I'm not dragging the brush around. That just disrupts everything and makes your skin look more textured. So please don't do that. Also, please don't forget your neck area because that's so important to match your entire body to your face. Then I'm using my trusted concealer, that's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 36 Golden. You guys know how much I love this because of its consistency and formulation. It's just so lightweight under the eye. Also, it has this perfect amount of coverage that I love personally, and it's so affordable too. Just blending that with a fluffy blending brush. Now, this is just something that I like doing theoretically and not Instagrammy. So yeah, this is just personal preference. You can go ahead and use a concealer brush. I just like having something more lightweight, just so that I can stipple the product in a much better manner. Without any extra product, I'm just going over everything with my foundation brush. I'm also testing out this Tom Ford Shade and Highlight Cream Duo. Will soon give my review on both of the Tom Ford products. These are the places where I personally like having that shaded bronzy kind of look, according to my face shape of course. Now with an angled brush, I got this from Amazon. I'm just patting the product in. Again, please do not drag the brush. You don't want to create any streaky lines. Never ever forget your hairline. Now I'm going in with the highlight part. Using my fingers is just better that way to melt the product into the skin. Applying that to my highest points again, and as you can see, I'm tilting my face to see where the light hits. Next, to set the center of my face, I'm using the Gucci Compact Powder in 05. Yes, I know it's a compact and it shouldn't be used under the eye area, but this one is an exception. Those who saw my review on the Gucci Compact and the bronzer already know the formulation, and hence it's safe to use under the eye, ever so lightly. Alright, so I did the eyebrows off camera just to save time. Going in with an eyelid primer. This one is clear, and yes, there is a huge difference between an eyelid primer and an eyeshadow base. After that, I'm using an eyeshadow base and I'm just buffing that in. I'm using these two shades from the Be Perfect Carnival palette into my crease as my transition shades. Next, I'm going in with this PAC Cosmetics eyeshadow base. This one is a glittery one, so it will further help in applying the next shimmer more vibrantly. Now I'm using a translucent iridescent kind of shade and I'm patting that all over my eyelids. For my lips, I'm using my all-time favorite Hot Latte from Calabar. Yeah, that's dried up. Time to get a new one. For kajal, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Kajal. And I'm using the Total Temptations Mascara by Maybelline. Now this is a trick that I learned and I love doing. I didn't go for falsies since it would look too much. And I'm using this lip cushion from Sephora as a cream blush. Just rehydrating my face again. So that's about it, you guys. This is how the makeup look turned out, and I didn't want to go like too bold with this outfit. As you can see, it's like a neon green outfit and I wanted to keep it like very minimal and just the base like very glowy and dewy. I didn't want to go overboard with the contour and the blush and the highlight. The lipstick also, I think I'm going to change it to a lip balm, but mask ke liye I've applied this so that it doesn't transfer. I just wanted to keep a nice glow, glittery kind of eyes and just minimal everything else. I wanted to look classy and not trashy, so that's why I did this. And if you guys want to know what will be my New Year's look, so that's going to be on IG, on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please do consider following me. I'll leave my handle on the screen somewhere. And yeah, what else? That's about it, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, do whatever you want, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.